Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to flash the latest Pixel Experience ROM, which is an unofficial build in Realme X7 Max. So friends, it is the latest Pixel unofficial Experience ROM, so I'll just try to install that in Realme X7 Max. So as I mentioned in previous videos, the prerequisites are the bootloader should be unlocked and the TWRP recovery should be installed. So first of all, in order to flash that Pixel Experience ROM, I just need to go into the fast boot mode and reboot to the recovery. But luckily in this particular OS, so if I just click on the power menu, there is an advanced option here, and if I just click on recovery, it will redirect to the TWRP recovery. So once it was turned on, I'll just try to flash the Pixel Experience ROM, which is an unofficial latest build in the Realme X7 Max. So as you can see friends, so it was just booted, and it will just take some time to restart into the TWRP recovery. So as you can see, so this is the boot animation for TWRP recovery in Realme X7 Max. So if you I'll just try to make another video how to install TWRP recovery, as I mean around 1 or 2 members are asking how to install that. So definitely I'll just try to make another video, because as I have directly installed this in my Realme X7 Max, so it might be a difficult thing to reinstall the TWRP. So as you can see, it was already open, and let me just show you the internal storage. As you can see, this is the latest Pixel Experience ROM, which is based on 12th November 2021. So in order to download this, I'll just leave a link in the description below, and you just need to also download the firmware file. So before flashing this, we just need to wipe the entire OS which is current. So let me just click on wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, data, cache and metadata. So I'll just swipe to wipe here. So it was wiped. So let me just click on the minimize button, and now I'll just click on install. First we just need to flash the firmware file, and just click on add more zips here and click on the Pixel Experience. So once after selecting, swipe to confirm, flash. So as you know already, it will just take some time to install this. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back once after that installation. Okay friends, so as you can see, the application, the Pixel Experience ROM was flashed. So let me just click on wipe, and I'll just try to wipe this cache and Dalvik, and I'll restart the system. So let me just tell you one thing friends. So if at all, if there is any boot loop, please connect your system, connect your mobile phone to your system and use fastboot space -w command in the command prompt. So let me just click on system, and it will redirect to the Pixel Experience ROM. So let's wait for the boot animation. So here you can see, so it's still the Google logo here. So let's wait for the boot animation, whether it will be routed to the Pixel Experience ROM or not, because as I am saying in the previous videos that many of the devices are getting bricked. So here is a Pixel Experience ROM boot animation. So once after the restart, I'll just set up everything and I'll show you that. So as you can see friends, it was successfully booted into my mobile. So I'll just set up each and everything. I'll try to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'll show you that after setting up.
So friends, now I'm successfully booted into the Pixel Experience ROM on Realme X7 Max. So let me just show you some of the applications. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth. Let me just try to open each and everything. It's pretty smooth here. So hope you like this video, because I have just tried to install the Pixel Experience latest ROM, which is an official build. So let me just click on this display, and let me just click on the home settings. As you can see, these are some of the notification dots, and these are some of the options you already know. And let me just show you the widgets here. So this is a pretty old layout of the widgets. So actually this is based on the Android 11 still, because we are not getting the custom ROMs based on Android 12. So we just need to be happy because we are getting the custom ROMs for the Realme X7 Max at least. So let me just try to show the wallpapers. So here these are some of the live wallpapers. I think the wallpaper count increased as compared to the other Pixel Experience ROMs. So as you can see, so these are some of the wallpapers which are pre-installed. There are actually many wallpapers which are pre-installed as compared to the previous Pixel Experience ROM. So here these are some of the pretty decent and interesting cartoon wallpapers. So for example, let's see this. So it's a different thing. So I like this, so I have just updated this wallpaper. So let me just show you one thing. So this is the common settings for each and every ROM who are developed. So this is the Realme settings, and we can just enable the smart charging, and we can also set the limit here. So let me just turn it off. And there is also one more thing here. It is a performance profile. So it is also the same for each and every ROM. So we can just able to change based on your requirement. And this is a CABC mode. I think it's based on the battery, and you can also these profiles is based on battery. You can able to on, you can able to off, and also super power saving mode and balanced mode. So if you wanted the good battery life, you can just keep that in the balanced mode or the super saving mode here. So let me just off. And also it was included that double tap to wake also included, and these are some of the ambient screen display gestures. And here there is an interesting point. So in the previous versions there are only 60 and 120 Hz, but now it was also included the smooth display here. So if we just turn it off, it will be in a auto state. So these are some of the options in the Realme settings. And let me just open the other settings here. So let me just click on the other settings. So these are some of the settings. As you already know, the display, I mean the dark theme, the notification layout, and the font size, the display size, the screensaver, lock screen, lift to wake, tap to wake. So these are all the options you already known before. So I'm just trying to show you these things. So let me just do one thing here. So I'll just try to click on about phone, and I'll just try to click on this model. As you can see, this is the model, and let me just click on the Android version. So the Android version is based on Android 11. As I said before, it is based on Android 11, and the security badge, as you can see, it's a 5th November security patch, and the kernel is 4.14, and you can see the build number. So this is the latest and official version of the Pixel Experience. So as I'm recording the screen recording, I'm just recording the screen using the screen recording option. So there are no lags or jitters while recording the screen. It's pretty good. So everyone, you can try this ROM, and I've also installed, I'm trying to install the Antutu benchmark test applications in this Pixel Experience. So I'll try to install this, and I'll also provide you the result. So hope you like this video, guys. So if at all, if there is any issue, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please share the video to your friends, family and relatives, and subscribe to the channel would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.